Thank you for that warm welcome. Greatly appreciate that. But unfortunately tonight, I'm here for something a little more serious. Not fun and games, because if you've been paying attention, somebody's been missing. That's Ricky Hendricks. There's a big gap in the spirit of what we do here, because Ricky Hendricks is not here. There is one person who is responsible for that. That's right, we're talking about one despicable human being, August Spears. August, if you're back there, I want to talk to you right now! Now you might wonder, what does somebody say to a man that seemingly has everything?
I do.
Right? Money,
Yeah, a lot of
cars, homes, a lot of assets. In a world of haves and have-nots, you're definitely one of the haves.
Yeah, that's true.
I would say, where's your character? Where's your integrity? Where's your intensity? Where is your fortitude? Where is your ability to stand chest to chest, toe to toe with someone like Ricky Hendricks and fight a fair fight? Yeah. Smirk all you want! Because as far as I'm concerned, you, August, are on the chopping block. I don't care that you're not ready. Get in the back! Put your trunks on! You and me! Break it out!
Yeah! Woo! I was scared though. Wow.
You want to wrestle me? You want to wrestle August Spears? There's levels to this, kid. You want to wrestle me? You got to get past my Excel first. And when you beat my Excel, maybe. No. If you beat my Excel, then you'll get your match. That's a big if. And I do have everything. Money, cars, women, height at 6'2", you know. Shut up! I am 6'2".
Ignore your interests.
But there's one thing you don't have, that I have. And these people's respect. These people respect me. These people love me. So until you beat my Excel, there is no match. But if you win, you got your match, buddy boy.
Take care of my light work. Gail, have a great day, buddy. All right, guys, here's this man! Woo! Bring the bell.
And we are here live at the Carolina Wrestling Academy, and we have a match for you. We got Sawdust going up against Carolina Grappler XL. And I'm here joined with my main man, El Avocado. How you doing, El Avocado?
It's Albiano!
I'm sorry.
Someone says they can't task for a time against Adam Grappler.
Very
That's that close line. Move quick! Slipping into a sleeper hold that looks
August Spears calling this man a loser. I don't think Sawdust is anything but a loser here. Sawdust got many victories with a lot of great people, not only the Carolina Wrestling Academy, but also as a member of the World Wrestling Federation roster.
But August Spears has a lot of victories too. He knows what he's doing here.
Very, very true. And this being shown right now with Grappler XL just showing. Oh, wait a minute now. Wait a minute.
Sawdust getting a little distracted there by August Spears. August Spears, he's a master manipulator right now.
Master manipulator. Master scared. So I'm walking over equipment over here.
Lock up here. Sawdust getting powered back by Grappler XL into the corner. 1, 2.
Gosh, showing you that's almost 400.
Pushing off those ropes. Trying to fight back.
That's almost 475 pounds of man right there that you're trying to move over. Grappler XL said he's just happy with the time.
Ice cream is on me.
Not even trying to
Ice cream is on me.
Ice cream is on him to get the job. I'm tugging the line. Crossbody again, getting caught. Shots in the head. Fighting through.
1, 2, yeah, 3, settle.
Get out!
Stop there. Still throwing some shots. Trying to this big old Sequoia here.
Shot by Sawdust. Quick, throwing his way out there.
Lumberjack.
It's
Moving on through. Ooh, big
shot
shot.
by Sawdust.
Lost him back in the ring. Get caught. Wait a minute. He's got a line here. Fantastic head scissors from Sawdust. Getting him in the corner here.
Sawdust taking the advantage now.
Trying
Trying to carry that arm back up.
Chop here from Sawdust. He's got the Grappler XL reeling. Going to those legs. Chopping down that tree.
Looking at those legs, trying to take those legs off the Grappler XL.
Well, top of top. He's got a decent size in here. Wrestling the guy with Grappler XL. You gotta chop him down.
Grappler XL's got to be careful. He just push Sawdust back. You can see that strength.
Still being pushed off Sawdust. From the Grappler XL. Dropping Sawdust right down his neck. Yeah, I think man. One close line on him is like getting hit by a Mack truck. And you don't want to get hit by a Mack truck.
Capital punishment, gonna take that head right off.
Now, Grappler XL will just stop. Trying to choke him down.
Choking over the ropes. Gotta be careful as he put it out there.
He's trying to choke him, man. Crowd showing how they feel about Grappler XL right now.
I think you can see that right there, Calvin. It's August directing traffic, telling XL exactly what to do.
Hey, Sawdust trying to work back up to his feet right now. Crowd trying to live with a lot, trying to get Sawdust with anything they can. Grappler XL is choking him in the corner.
I think that win got Sawdust down. Sawdust going over.
Oh! Down to the floor. Got sent out by the Grappler XL. Grappler XL is shooting him off, pushing him off here.
3,
You gotta think there, Avocado, with August Spears leading Grappler XL here, showing a different side of him.
Sawdust has to get to his feet. The count's already at 7.
Come on, Sawdust. Come on, Sawdust. Get back to your feet. You got opportunity to face August Spears here.
Part of Sawdust. True competitor, true fighter, through and through.
Getting back into the ring by the skin of his teeth. Almost got counted out there.
So he says to watch out here. He's being stalked by the Grappler.
Still groggy, still trying to get back to his feet.
Here's some squishes now. There's Hanson pulling watermelons. He's gonna squish his head.
I see this man knock out many people with this move.
Sawdust has to do something now.
Here's gonna go to the back of the something. Caught up in the ropes there.
Shots to the right, back to the leg. Now take it to him.
Him out.
Shots.
What a shot. Shot in the head. Chops. Sawdust throwing everything on Sawdust. Taking it down.
It's got a nine now, pelvis.
I don't know, you know. I've seen it before.
Risky move by Sawdust here, especially with fears outside the ring.
He's got the Grappler days.
He's on his feet.
With all the run. Taking the shots down. Sawdust in the crowd, fire now. Officers, what are you doing?
Stomach down his fears.
By me? You don't want to squash fight. You don't want to do that.
Your winner.
You want your match? You want your match? I think you do what I think to Ricky. You got your match.